Watch this. I'll turn Carl into Darth Vader.
Alright, let's see this.
Luke, I am your father.
I want to get with you.
But why the fuck is there two of
There's just
you?
like a universe where like everyone sounded like Carl Wheezer.
Hey Keanu, I sent you a picture of my cocaine.
I don't know if I want to. Okay. But what does Black Carl sound like?
What's up, nigga?
Let me hear Black Carl. Wait, what?
Hey, Jimmy's mom. You want some of this black cock?
What happened to your inhaler?
He was scared. Why he said why?
Oh, you gotta wait. I'm taking my cocaine.
All right, hurry up, Carl. I want to sing.
Carl's having a
Dude, that's Carl in high school.
This reminds me of when I used to snort protein powder.
Oh yeah, snort that G fuel.
Alright, come on. I want to fucking hear Carl sing Maniac. Alright.
All right, here we go. You ready, gamers?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's a very long intro, my bad.